Hello guys, Ghibli-styled images are in trend. These images are currently being generated by OpenAI Chat GPT-4o native image generator. It is free with limits now. Let's take this trend to next level by converting these images to videos for free. So here are 2 ways to generate Ghibli-styled AI videos for free. 1. Diffusion AI. Go to this link. Here we must need to sign up or log in. After login done, you will get some free credits. You can use more accounts to get free credits every time by temp mails. Go to Create option. Here are many options like prompt and lip sync and much more. You can enter prompts. Change settings as need. Upload the image. I will enter a small prompt to make this avatar talk. Enhance it. Now in short, this prompt says make this person use smartphone. Generate. Wait. It is as per the prompt. You can download it now. This tool is great for lip sync also. 2. Pixelverse. Go to this link. It has Ghibli Story Maker feature. Here we must need to sign up or log in. After login done, you will get some free credits. Also, you will get free credits daily as well. You can use more accounts to get more free credits every time by temp mails. Upload the image. Select settings as per needed. Generate. Wait. Video is generated. It is great and can be shared on social media. Both tools have free watermark that can be cropped to remove. Moreover, you can use Pika Labs and Wan AI and more image to video tools to do the same as well. Thanks for watching.